This is English shorthand dictation legal matter. 100 word per minute. Ready? Start. Learned Counsel for the Appellants has submitted that learned single judge did not advert the first 2 points raised by the respondents in the writ petitions, and he entered into merit of the case by reappraising the evidence laid before the General Court Martial as if he was sitting as Court of Appeal, having power to enter into merit of the case and can reappraise the evidence. He has submitted that High Court, while exercising jurisdiction under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, has no power to reappraise the evidence and substitute its own finding, saying conclusions of guilt arrived at by the General Court Martial being based on the weak and insufficient evidence is not liable to stand, and respondents are liable to be acquitted of the charge. He further submitted that ample evidence has been given before the General Court Martial indicating involvement of respondents in the crime, and also that it were respondents who done the death of deceased persons, and the findings of conviction arrived at by the General Court Martial on the basis of that evidence, which is cogent and reliable, was liable to be stand and could not be quashed in the writ petition filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India in the name of reappraisal of evidence. Learned Counsel for the Appellants has further submitted that the High Court, while exercising jurisdiction under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, has power to reverse the finding of conviction recorded by the General Court Martial only when it is established that finding of General Court Martial is based on no evidence, or accused were denied opportunity to defend themselves. He has submitted that it was not the case taken in the writ petitions that respondents were denied opportunity to defend themselves. Rather, it is established on record that both respondents had been provided full opportunity to defend themselves, such as they had opportunity to engage lawyer of their choice, and they had fully opportunity not only to cross examine the witness by the prosecution, but had opportunity to render evidence in defense also, and they had to tender evidence also in their defense. And in view of these, it was not open for them to challenge the findings of conviction recorded by the General Court Martial, saying that evidence on which finding of conviction is based is weak and insufficient, and no conviction can be based on that evidence. Learned Counsel for the Appellants has lastly submitted that ample evidence has been laid on record, and it is established from that evidence that respondents had a wrong motive to commit murder of Havaldar Rampal and Sifoy Jagannath Prasad, as latter had tried to molest the wife of respondent number 2, whom respondent 1 treated as sister. It is also established that respondent 1 collected a DBBL gun in the morning of 26 January 1974, and thereafter both respondent co-accused Ramesh Dubey and deceased persons were seen together going towards the place of occurrence.